Hello everyone, this is my first time to open my YouTube channel. I'm studying in high school now. I hope it can improve my English ability and know more friends. My hobby is more. Usually also like to play some electronic aspects of things. Always hope to have their own oscilloscope. Oscilloscope is a variety of electronic signals into the image of the instrument. Can be very convenient. But a good oscilloscope is very expensive and beyond my means, and the performance of a cheap oscilloscope does not meet many requirements. So I have never been able to own an oscilloscope that I like, until I found a faulty oscilloscope motherboard, display screen and button board of RIGOL DS1074 on the network. Because its measurement range is 100 MHz, which can meet the needs of many occasions. More importantly, it was cheap and well within my means, so I bought it, hoping to repair it so I could own an oscilloscope. I got the oscilloscope the day after I placed the order online, thanks to the convenient logistics in China. I'm very excited and dreaming of repairing it. In the past 2 days, I have also watched many videos about RIGOL DS1074z series of teachers on YouTube, especially the most exciting one about reverse analysis, which also makes me have a deeper understanding of this oscilloscope. Now, let me look at the basics of this oscilloscope. It looks like he's got a lot of power channels plus 17.5 volts, meaning 17.5 volts, 6.3 volts, meaning 7.5 volts. So complex. In addition, there are traces of maintenance on the circuit board. It seems difficult. First, look at the simulation part. The short cover is gone. The variable capacitor is oxidized. Oh no, there's a chip missing. I'm very unhappy. There seems to be nothing wrong elsewhere. Let me see if there is anything wrong with the power line. There seems to be no problem. Look at the repaired place. Okay too. Judging from the information of other teachers, this part is the analog part. What is missing in this piece is the analog to digital part, where there is a silent FPGA, which is supposed to transfer the converted data to this CPU. This is a display drive. It looks very clear. Now, I can't wait to power it, but I don't have power board. So my first step was to get a proper power source. My first thought is to transform an ATX power supply. ATX power supply has positive 12 volts, negative 12 volts, positive 5 volt, negative 5 volt, and 3.3 volt. It seems that the voltage is relatively close, a little too much. And I cut a lot of wires, so I need to repair this power supply first, and then adjust its output voltage. It will take a few days. I will explain it in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.